Alright, Whirlwind Amanda has gone down to the bathroom. We've calmed Ella down with help of a pacifier. And now here we are again. I don't know if she's going to play with her toys anymore. Are you going to play? Look at Ella. Look at that. Look at that, sweetie. Alright, Whirlwind Amanda has gone down to the bathroom.
Who's that in that mirror?
We've calmed Ella down
Who's
with help
that
of a
baby?
pacifier. And now here we are again.
You get your elephant?
I don't know if she's going to play with her toys anymore. Are you going to play? Look at Ella. Look at that. Look at that, sweetie.
Who's that in
So
that mirror?
big.
Who's that baby?
You're getting so big.
You get
Yeah,
your elephant?
already. You just like looking at yourself in there, don't you? Take this down. Take that out. Alright, that's probably it for now.
Get that elephant? Yeah, look at that.
Getting so big.
Look at that. Look, who's that in the mirror?
Getting so big.
Who is
yes, already. You just
Is
like
that
looking at
Ella
yourself in there,
Bean?
don't you?
Is that Ella Bean? Yes, it is.
Alright, that's probably it for now.
Hi, Ella.
She's so happy, isn't she? Let's not step on her, okay? Okay, let's be very careful.
Who's that in the mirror?
No, it's
Who
sweet.
is that? Is that Ella Bean?
If you lay next to her
Is that Ella
gently,
Bean?
okay?
Yes, it
Can you
is.
squeeze in there without stepping on her? Okay.
Hi, Ella.
She's so happy, isn't she? Let's not
No,
step on
Amanda,
her, okay?
Amanda,
No,
Okay,
let's
let's be
leave your
very
arm not
careful.
under her. No, it's sweet. Look at you guys. If you lay next to her gently, okay? Are you gonna play with the elephant? Oh, Ella likes that
in there
noise,
without
huh?
stepping
on her? Okay. Oh, no,
Who's
Amanda,
that?
Amanda, no. Let's leave your arm not under her. Be gentle, Amanda. Your leg is on her. Look at you guys. Are you gonna play with the elephant? Oh, Ella likes that noise, huh? Ella likes it when you move that.
Who's that?
She likes it when you make that
Ella
noise.
Bean.
Be gentle, Amanda. Your leg is on her. Look at that. Gentle, Amanda, please. Look at that, Ella.
Look at that.
Ella likes it when you move that. She likes it when you make that noise. Yeah, I see that. Like put you both on there. Look at that. Gentle,
Ella,
Amanda,
is it
the
a
ladybug now. Look at that, Ella. Look at that. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ella. Yeah, I see that. Ella's hitting a ladybug now. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ella.